Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Dr. Rogers, a multiple scholarship winner and LT. So I'm going to drop a very quick one here. I just got off work and the idea just popped up. I thought I should share it with my subscribers. And by the way, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Please make sure you consider subscribing. My channel is all about scholarships, academia positions, jobs. Sorry if you get a lot of noise. I just got off campus from work at KNU, Korea. It's rush hour, so lots of cars are, rushing home. So my channel is all about scholarships, how to apply for them, tips on how to apply for positions, academia positions, paid internships, and all of that. So today I want to talk about what is LinkedIn and how you can join it. So I found out speaking with a couple of students, friends, and a lot of people are not or haven't joined LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is actually a platform just like you have Facebook, you have Twitter, and all of that. So it's a platform where you meet professionals within your network. You get to sell yourself, and it's all about networking in a professional way. You do it in the best way that you want. So how can you join LinkedIn? You just go to Google, you click LinkedIn. It's going to open to the home page. You sign up. If you don't have an email account, you can sign up with either with your Google account or maybe with your Facebook account. All of these things, they're all like linked these days. So LinkedIn is spelled LINK in, like link, EDIN. So the importance of LinkedIn is that what is going to help you meet a lot of professionals in your field. For example, if you're studying law, you're going to find people, especially for early career people, you find a lot of people who are into law within your age group, within your job group. A lot of emerging early scientists, or let me not call scientists, I'm a scientist myself, early people within your career. This is a way, it's very good when you're applying for scholarships. You meet these people, you guys network together, you share ideas. I've met a lot of awesome people on LinkedIn, and they've helped me a lot. And even as far as just writing CVs, writing my cover letters, I've met a lot of professors all over the world. I've met some in South Africa. They've helped me. I met even some in China. I even got a position or offers in China to go work, but because of the pandemic, I made a choice to stay back here. So you actually meet a lot of people who are going to help you out there just for free, just because you're within a platform. So if you're on Facebook to socialize, if you're on Instagram to socialize and market, or if you're on Twitter to tweet things, why don't you think about joining LinkedIn? So make sure you join it. It might look boring for the first time because you don't have people, but join in. Put on your CV, put your CV, and you can even learn how to write your CV just by being on LinkedIn. So you look at other people's CVs and you learn how to do it. So if you love what I'm doing here, make sure you hit on the subscription bell. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and this has been your boy, Dr. Rogers. Peace.